In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 5, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to locate Alarm app. If you can't find it over here, select All apps, click on the search bar and type in Alarm. Then click on it. Now tap on Alarm Time and set up an hour. When you're ready, you can save it by choosing Save at the top left corner. Then click on Alarm Ringtone and tap on the best melody for you. In order to set it up, you need to save it by choosing OK again. I will go with 70s Calm. Now adjust the volume of your alarm by swiping left or right on this slider. And last but not least, activate it by tapping on this off button. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by clicking on the same button again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!